In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Zoom app on laptop in Windows 11 10.7. We'll walk through the entire process from opening your browser to completing the installation, keeping things simple and clear so you can get Zoom up and running quickly. First, make sure your laptop is connected to the internet and that you're using a web browser you're comfortable with, like Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, or Firefox. Open your browser and go straight to the address bar at the top. Type zoom.us and press Enter. This takes you to Zoom's official website. It's a good idea to double-check that you're on the real site by looking for the secure padlock icon next to the URL. Once the page loads, scroll down to find the download section. Click the download link. This brings you to Zoom's download center. Here, look for Zoom Workplace, which is the standard Zoom desktop app for meetings and calls. Click the download button under Zoom Workplace. The website usually detects your operating system automatically, so it will provide the correct Windows installer for Windows 11, Windows 10, or Windows 7. Your browser will start downloading the installer file. If you're asked whether to save or keep the file, choose the option that allows the download. You'll typically see the file appear at the bottom of your browser window, or you can find it in your Downloads folder. The file name is often something like Zoom Installer or Zoom Installer Full. When the download finishes, open the file. You can click it directly in your browser's download bar, or open the Downloads folder and double-click the installer. If Windows asks for permission to make changes to your device, click Yes. This is a standard security prompt. Now, follow the on-screen steps to install Zoom. The setup is straightforward. Accept the defaults unless you have a specific reason to change them, and let the installer run. You'll see a progress bar while it installs. Depending on your internet speed and laptop performance, this may take a minute or two. If your antivirus software scans the file, allow it to complete the scan. Once the installation finishes, Zoom may open automatically. If it doesn't, you'll find the Zoom icon on your desktop or in your Start menu. That's it. Zoom is now installed on your Windows laptop. If you run into issues, try a different browser, ensure you have enough disk space, or restart your computer and repeat the download. You're all set to move on to using Zoom whenever you're ready.